What's up mga quiz? Installation, siguro naman ito ngayon gagana na kasi nagpalit na kami ng anong tawag dito? Sinusoidal inverter. Yan. Power MMR, yun yung brand nya. So dati nakaset up na yung kanyang solar, yan yung PV nya. So yung gagawin na lang natin tong ano, dahil itong nireplace namin noon yung isang brand na YNH dun sa aking unang vlog na hindi siya ano. Napakadali lang rin kasi. Just read the manual maintindihan nyo na lang yung paano siya install. So stay tuned. Tapos installation na. Battery. Ang 6.2 kilowatts ay yan, 6.2, yan na siyang 48. Negative. Ang bulat ah.
What?
Backfire.
What do you mean the fire?
Then I connect the battery. Large voltage.
Not what?
Then I connect the battery. Spark. Because large voltage. 53 volts. Then natin.
So what happened?
Nothing.
Oh.
53 volts. The
Oh, that's
battery.
fine.
Same as my tester.
So how many volts we supposed to have? 48. Oh,
Actually, the maximum voltage of the inverter is 58.
68?
58.
Okay.
The maximum that can.
So we're at maximum voltage for
not
our
yet, not yet.
close. Oh. Why the red light?
Nothing. This how do you call this? Trademark. If it's on, it will light.
So that drop voltage all the fucking time.
Yes, of course.
Fucking bastards. What? I you know, I don't care about that.
So right now, we'll configure first the battery. The battery type.
I know in there somewhere it said hook up this one, then this one, then this one. No,
Yeah.
so, and I think it says hook the battery number one, then the PV,
Yeah, the PV.
then this. But we're not hooking up this
AC,
for now.
Yeah, right now.
Okay, we're going to wait a couple of weeks, make sure everything working perfectly. So, I talked
Actually,
to.
it can power now an AC to your house. If I plug that,
I don't have power to my house. Oh,
I want to put the PV first.
PV.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I will configure the type of battery because there's something here.
Live pole 4.
Yeah.
I thought that said it configure automatically, but I don't know.
Let's see on the... Wait.
Yeah, okay. When you finish, you set it, I forget it. Oh.
Just call me, I'll just...
Well, I'm just going to go
Let's go.
click like this on here for now.
Yeah.
Because right now, Omiko's is so fucking bad. Like at night time, Omiko go out 7 o'clock. If I have my fan, not too bad. But I can't live without my fan. It's very, I can't sleep. I end up sleeping out on the deck for a couple of hours because it's just too hot in the house. So,
Where is the page configuration?
is your camera on or no?
So,
Okay. What I want to do, maybe not right now. When we
okay.
hook up this, I want to put all of this.
on center.
Well, I'll have to get the longer
Yeah.
wire for there. But I want to put like that, and we put the
Into it.
conduit. We make it look maganda.
Yeah.
My one few words I know. So.
Enter. Press enter. Down. SUB. SBU. APL.
It's confusing for me. I don't understand that stuff at all.
I-set ko siya sa lithium battery because light board ang ginagamit natin. So, set natin siya sa ito, 05 LIB. Pero paano? APL, AGN. Enter. FLD. AGN. LIB. Press, yeah, enter. Tapos plug natin yung ating ito. Plug po natin yung ating PB or photovoltaic panels. Yun. Breaker na ako nilagay dun. Dahil may MC4 siya, ito ang galing doon sa panel niya. Connect natin. Maganda rin yung terminal. 600 volts naman ang maximum volts nito. Tapos sa 25 amps naman. That's my darling.
Well, I don't see your asawa, so I never know what you look like.
Now you know.
Well, I'll forget about the next time.
Forget again. Ito, positive.
Ralph, you have no money left.
She took it all. I'm going to have after I put this.
What's that?
Probably going to have money again.
Story of a man's life. I saw would take all the fucking money.
Please.
Is this guy one of your workers?
Yeah,
Okay.
the other job.
Huh?
Yan yan. Tayo na. Ano? Oo.
Walang battery niya.
Ay, kaliwa.
Tikas ng lupa doon sa kayo. Sunay.
Positive ay kaliwa. Baliktad. Yun. 359 volts. Delikado yan. Busy pa. Gusto ka agad yan.
Ay, siguro yan.
Ross,
Oh!
how much did you buy for
Wait,
this?
I can't hear all the way up. I'm half deaf.
How much did you buy for this?
How much what?
How much this?
25,000.
Cheaper.
24,900 plus.
Okay.
The other one was 23.7 plus. This was 1,000 pesos more. So whatever.
I'll put the PB. There. 345 volts coming from your PB. So
Okay,
I'm
so-
going to put the power your house in.
Broken. Okay, so can we shut this off and turn that on now?
Wait, I just going to put this.
What?
Going to put to power your house this.
Oh, to here.
Yeah. We
Duh.
can power your house because.
Okay. I don't want that stiff wire. I want the bendy wire like
Okay.
this. Oh, and I think that we should have it. If we don't have enough, then hook this up for.
Actually, we don't need the because it's just a small.
Okay, so then we should have enough here.
No, just because it's better for an AC supply.
The solid wire.
Yeah, for you see, this one is
A lighter wire.
it's not good for AC.
Not good for the AC.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Then what we go quick. And then later we take apart, put conduit. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Oh. Does he work for you?
Yeah.
Oh, so I can't
Because
hire.
I have another job. So
Oh.
he finished already. So this afternoon.
Does he want to work tomorrow as a laborer?
Why?
Because I have a job for a laborer.
But I don't. If you get him,
It's only for one day.
I won't be having a.
Well, no, but that's why I'm asking. If you didn't have work for him for tomorrow,
No.
I would
We
hire.
have
But
we have a work for.
you have work for tomorrow.
for
Okay.
a month.
Then I'm not hired for the day.
Okay.
Well, why'd that change color now, the fucking piece of shit?
You have to cut this.
But why is that purple now and not red?
Because it's charging.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That's how it's done. You have
No,
to
whatever.
take this over. It's for installation.
Okay.
Kami ano dito ay ano na, off-grid. Kahit na pang hybrid yung naka-install.
Are you shutting that off, Rob?
Yeah, because
Okay, wait. Just so I know, where is the shut off?
here.
Right there? That shuts
Yeah.
that panel off.
But it's still working if you connect all those ano. Because
Okay.
if I connect, maybe I'll get electrocuted. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no, I understand. No, but I just so I know, if something goes beep, 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 I can shut off and call you.
There's something wrong.
Well, I was,
But along beep, not the beep.
well, I was reading the instructions. 1 beep,
Yeah.
2 beep, 3
Beep
beep, all different, mean different things,
Yeah,
so,
beep codes, yeah. I'm going to connect the.
oh.
Just to make sure.
Don't kill yourself.
No, I'm just.
Otherwise, I just throw you over the fence to the cemetery.
45 voltage. 45 volts. AC out.
And then when we hook up Omiko, then it's going to go there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. But for today, we're not going to put Omiko. Fuck them. Yeah, 2.5 Newton meters, close enough.
Loko mo ako.
Well, the torque spec, tight. To me, yeah, make it tight.
Just checking. Just to
Oh,
make sure.
yeah, because I don't want to blow this one up.
You're tired?
Otherwise, I got to kill you.
Okay.
Now when Omiko goes off, I just go. Well, I'm going to put, as soon as you're done this, I'm going to go to the solar. I want to make sure it will run my aircon.
Okay.
So, but Bert told me something. What I did the last time, I put on the freezer, I put all the lights, I put the aircon. So when that thing kick in, beep.
Maybe. So
He said don't put all on at the same time.
that's why we did the right thing, because as you see, I just turned off all the.
Oh, okay, because I went in the
Yes.
house and turned everything on.
Yes, we got the how do you call this? Not good na.
Bad code. Okay, no,
Bad
that's
bad
fine.
unit.
They, you know what? They never did tell me what was wrong with anything.
You just get the.
Oh, you know what? That fell off, and I looked all over the floor. I could never find it.
So I'm going to turn off all the and be open little by little.
Okay, that's fine. Oh.
Let's see.
Shut off, turn on. Now it should go to red again.
You covered my camera.
I'm not standing in front of your camera, I'm standing fucking here. Your camera
all my camera's recording is your back. Okay, let's try.
Hello, boy. He lives there. Go deliver to that house. He don't live here. He live over there.
Ilang go see your rep if it's working.
My what?
Your rep.
The ref?
Yeah.
Okay.
No?
Tulog siguro.
How about now?
Now the ref.
Namatay.
The ref working now. You want me to check my fan?
Yeah? Because I turn all this on.
Okay, what do you want me to check?
Check all things, even your aircon. What's up, yeah? Tapos yung light.
Ito pa lang dumating.
Lights working.
Ayan na po siya, oh. Naka-off grid. Yan, may wattage na nag-grid doon kapag may load doon sa bahay. Yung kagandahan nito. Shout out sa mga gusto magpa-shout out kay John Person. Thank you. Nag-color code pa siya doon sa kanyang battery. Orange to orange na. Yun, totally off grid na po siya. Nakaangat na yung kanyang ano, ito na yung gumagana sa kanyang ano. Yung load niya ngayon nasa ano 448 watts yan, 450. Yung kanyang battery po dahil 1000 ampere hour yan, tapos fully charged pa kaninang tinap, hindi siya nag-move. Yan, ganyan, by point lang ang moving niya, pero 54 volts pa rin siya. Tapos nung try namin i-run yung kanyang aircon, nag plus 500 yung range nung watts niya. Nag 1 kilowatts siya. Pero wala pa rin gumagalaw dun sa volts ng battery. Talagang kinukuha niya lang dito sa sa panel. So, paggawa na rin kayo. May budget kayo na to, kayo na bumili at install ko na lang. Or kayo na lang kung kaya ninyo i-install. Salamat po.